Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report from Microsoft. The report was first published on our website April 19, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Microsoft for the upcoming trading day on Wednesday 20th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Microsoft performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Microsoft stock currently holds a -3.028 score, and our system has ranked Microsoft sell candidate since April 11, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 0.01%. This is an average return of 0% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, Microsoft stock price up 1.67% on Tuesday. The Microsoft stock price gained 1.67% on the last trading day, Tuesday, April 19, 2022, rising from $280.60 to $285.30. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.77% from a day low at $278.46 to a day high of $286.17. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -9.42% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -267,000 shares and in total, 18 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.03 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $349.67, and the lowest price was $238.07. Right now the price is 18.41%, or $64.37, below 52-week high at $349.67, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Microsoft stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -1.74% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -5.55% and 8.54%. The 12-month trend indicates a 18.64% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 16.89% and 52.73%. This equals a price between $333.48 and $435.73 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Microsoft stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Microsoft. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 1.97%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Microsoft stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $285.36 and $295.32. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 64 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $280.27, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $7.71 between high and low, or 2.77%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.72%. The stock has a beta of 0.91. This tells us that Microsoft is minus 0.09 times less volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 29.83. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released April 26, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $2.18. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $288.49. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $280.27, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $280.36, $278.55, $275.60. Sell at $286.26, $288.07, $291.02. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On March 28, 2022, Althoff Judson made an inside sell of 11,012,337 of common stock. On March 10, 2022, Rodriguez Carlos A. made an inside buy of 649 of restricted stock units. On March 10, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 87,689 of restricted stock units. On March 10, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 56,961 of restricted stock units. On March 10, 2022, Warrior Padmashri made an inside buy of 8,419 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -79.419. In total, the insiders bought 122,890,943 and sold 1,109,338,517 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Microsoft stock a buy? Microsoft holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 20th, we expect Microsoft to open down -$1.99 and start trading at $283.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.